Ever heard your stomach growl? Even when you're not hungry? That sound isn't hunger. It's your digestive system doing cleanup. Between meals, your stomach and intestines turn on a cleaning mode. They push leftover food, liquid, and gas forward. When muscles squeeze and air moves, that's the noise you hear. This happens even if you ate recently. It's called the Migrating Motor Complex. It helps keep your gut healthy and prevents bacteria buildup. So next time your stomach growls, it's not asking for food, it's doing maintenance. Welcome to the lab. Follow for more simple science explanations.